Okay. And also, judges, please join us, sir. Mana? Ma'am Margie?
Ikaw nga mag-video, ako mag-picture.
Okay.
Look.
So, ang ating first placer will receive cash and also medal and also gift bags and training course from Brilliant Minds. Ang ating grand winner will receive 1,000 dirhams, a gift bag, and a free training course certificate from Brilliant Minds. Okay, again, ang i-announce ko po ay ang grand winner po, okay? Ang i-announce ko ang grand winner. So, kung hindi man tawag, automatic na ikaw po ay ang ating first runner-up. Ang ating grand champion, garnering an average score of 93.37. Ang ating grand winner for Filipino Kasambahay Club Got Talent Season 2. Sino? Sino ang grand winner? Okay, ang ating grand winner for today, congratulations to contestant number 3! Our first runner-up is congratulations! Dito na po, okay? Congratulations again sa ating first runner-up din.
Nice one, Mama!
Maraming salamat. Congratulations. Congratulations, okay? I-award ng ating first